This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped shift knob, latch-ready child seat anchors, variable valve timing, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 38 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.